Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Elmo na naman nga pala nagbabalik. Yo, what up mga kapatid? It's Tuesday afternoon and we're on the way to work. The weather today is sunny again. It's warm. But every night is cold now, so I think the last summer that we're gonna have is this Sunday. I'm not sure. So yeah, let's go. It's bouquet of mint. So what we gonna do? See, and then I transfer it there.
Oh, you want to
put it here, then transfer it, then shake it. So you can see, no? Are you gonna film how I'm making it, or
should I?
Or just a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, just a picture. Should not put mint, it's the same thing.
Okay, so you need to put mint. I'm gonna taste. And then whatever the liquor, smash, and then gin, and
Smash.
then lime, and then
Today?
glass.
Smash.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Put this one here, bro.
No! That's
Yeah.
my
What are you
garnish!
doing? Why are you touching the cocktail when he's making it?
That's my garnish.
I'm teaching him. You need to put inside.
That's my garnish.
Yeah.
No.
I don't like this one.
The glass is too small anyway.
It's like this.
Put this.
Huh? You order this?
No, it's in the office.
It's very good. But you have to order this martini glasses, you know?
Yeah,
They're,
this is
very
nice.
nice because you can make pisco sour and this, you know, like not the one cup. Order some of this one.
I don't know where
This
they
is your
get this.
garnish.
Yeah?
This is too small.
Lime.
I put already.
Why you put apple?
This is, look how much is it?
You put lime juice already? Put
Yeah.
more.
What cocktail is this? This is lemon.
Doesn't matter. It's for picture.
It's gonna be up to here, I believe.
What color is it?
Should be pink. Why you put yellow?
Should be pink.
Look, it's gonna be pink.
Put the other
not
one.
gonna-
No.
Watch and learn.
Let's see.
Brother,
Seguro.
Eyes. Or you wanna shake like this?
Put some beers.
Come on. And if it's not pink?
10 pounds.
More. What 10 pounds? It's nothing.
50. One sushi box.
Huh?
Sushi box.
Okay, cool. Fuck. But it's not pink.
Shit, it's
Is
pink.
it?
No.
It's pink, man.
You should put
No, it's like.
You should put some egg white to stay nice
Yeah.
and firm. Take it back. I think it's better
It's not
because
like
it doesn't look.
pink. It goes like to peachy.
Put egg, yeah.
It's pink.
No,
man.
it's pink.
It's not pink.
Are
It's
you,
pink.
are you colorblind?
It is pink.
Okay,
Just
I'll
put
buy
a little bit
sushi
egg white to
for
stay.
work.
Huh? Work.
Ah. Okay.
You learn something.
Wow. Okay. A bit more. Or you don't have.
That's it.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on until the last one. Yeah.
Oh! She put flower, no?
This.
Rose flower.
Put the light.
This is shit, no?
It's not shit.
This type of.
Why flower when it's too big for the glass?
Yeah,
That's why we put that one.
show that's the kind of
You understand or no?
hard work time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop
This
till
is
your
called.
heart stops. Let this
I
I
don't
don't
know.
know. Pink cotton.
just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off
called
the
pink.
goose. Yeah, thinking that I'm too drunk. Getting caught with a few thoughts. Cause I'm too lost. Off the sneakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got. No one will drain my energy. And I will never stop. I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And now I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop. They call incessantly the ones I'm on top. Still live
Yeah.
pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind.
Not from far away more. Yeah. From that side. Yeah.
Good portrait.
So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about your so let me
That's the level.
break it all down for
Like that.
Yeah, like this.
taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about your
Video.
and they still disconnected cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection too filled with recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension in my passion, my profession. I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies. I'm for transparency, so people think I'm lost. Not this thing gon' be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top of my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop, cause screaming is a blessing. All the same, tell me I will make a name. It's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my vein, feel my blood pump through my veins. Feel adrenaline, no pain. Welcome all to my domain. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up.
Yeah.
Taking that crown from you.
Nice.
Nice. Try it.
Break it all down for you.
Biscuit, man.
Taking that crown from you. So let me break it all down.
Nice, nice.
So we put it in the middle.
How do you call it? Pinky. It's called pinky.
Break it all down for you.
I like it. It's actually nice.
So I made it.
I forgave the idea. Me.
Who made it? Me.
You are funny.
It's amazing actually.
Yeah.
It's not sweet.
is sour a bit, not too much.
It's called minty pink sour.
Jack. Thanks, mate.
You like my hair?
Yeah.
Yo, I just finished at work, man. Solo ko na naman yung bus. Private. Service ko talaga to. Hindi siya pwede magsakay, ako lang. Hindi kami busy ngayon, man. Naglinis lang ako. Pero at least may customer kami kanina. Mga 3 table. Gutom ako. Hindi pa ako makakain, man. Kinain ko kanina. I just got 2 slices of pizza. And that's it. Am I gonna hit up home a little bit?
Chelsea and Westminster Hospital.
Pauwi na tayo. Time check, guys, is 12:41 ng madaling araw. And we here again sa madilim na lugar. Wala na naman katao-tao. Ako na naman walking trip. Gagawin ko ng isang vlog to para may isang vlog na ako na. Gutom na ako, man. Tinitiis ko na lang. Sobrang tahimik. May okay sa bahay, yun na lang kakainin ko. Bukas may pasok ulit ako, and then Thursday day off ko. Kasi sa Sunday mag-work ulit ako, may Chelsea game na naman. Pero di ko alam kung yung gagawin ko sa day off ko sa Thursday. I don't have plan yet, man. But let's see, sana I hope the weather is good so I can gala. Ang play ko, ano? Barado na naman yung ilong ko, man. That's my problem here in London every summer though. I got this allergy all the time. Every morning when I wake up I got itchy nose and it's blocked. And I keep sneezing as well. It's annoying. Nag-i-smoke ako dun sa may park. Tahimik, ano? So quiet. Oh, look at the moon. Ganda ng buwan, man. It's not that cold today, guys. That's why I'm not wearing jacket at all. It's a bit chilly, but it's okay. I can handle it. But I got my sweatshirt in my bag just in case. You know, the London weather is it's annoying. Like every second they change. Lapit na ako. I'm near, guys. Makakain na ako. Finish early today. So I said we're not busy today. And tomorrow for sure we're not gonna be busy again. That's our building. Ganda ng buwan. Look at the moon. I'm gonna try to zoom it for you. I can see the circle around it. I'm here. And to get my key again. They're all sleeping now for sure. The other elevators broken. I'm gonna use this one. Yeah. What the hell? Katakot na. Siguro may na-stuck dito.
First floor. Doors opening.
I'm here. May isang vlog na ako, so next time na lang ulit, bukas na lang ulit.